thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Holiday Valley, moving east at 40 miles an hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing destructive straight-line winds. Locations impacted include Springfield, South Charleston, Mechanicsburg. In addition, Snyderville, Northampton, Joe Bryan State Park, Battleton, Husted, Clifton, Springfield Municipal Airport, and Lawrenceville are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 44 and 70. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report tornadoes, final clouds, strong winds, or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Tuesday morning for southeastern Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.